In this video, we are going to see addition and subtraction of integers. First, let us see adding integers with the same sign. So, for example, add plus 2, that is positive number, plus 4 in a number line. So, we are going to add these two numbers in a number line. So, we start from 2, isn't it? So, 0. We start from 0. You have to move 2 place here. So, from 2, we have to add 4 steps, isn't it? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, where we meet at 6. So, the answer is plus 6. So, plus 2 plus 4 is equal to plus 6. Let us see second example. Add minus 3 plus minus 4. This also we are going to look at in the number line. So now we have to start from the 0. 0 is the starting point. So from 0 we have to move to 3 places, isn't it? Minus 3. So we have to reach at minus 3. After that we have to move 4 steps because it is minus 4. We have to add minus 4, isn't it? So we have to move 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to come at 7. So what's the answer? Minus 7 is the answer. So minus 3 plus minus 4, we get minus 7. See, in these two problems, we have used number line. Okay, without number line also, we can do the calculations. See, 3 plus 5, what do you get? 8. This is as usual addition only, isn't it? So, same way, when you add minus 2 plus minus 8. Here we are going to add negative integers. So, as usual addition only, how we added 3 and 5, same way we are going to add 2 and 8. What do you get? 10. But we will put negative sign, minus 10. So, remember children, when we add with the same positive numbers means we get positive integer only. When you add two negative integers, we get negative integer. But we do addition. But what we put? The symbol minus. Second one, we are going to see adding integers with different signs. Let us see the first example. We are going to add plus 6 plus minus 2. So first number is plus 6. So always we have to start from the 0, isn't it? So 0 to plus 6. So we have to move 6 steps forward. Now, what you have to do? This is minus 2. So you have to take out 2. So you have to move back. So move back how many steps? 2 steps. So 1, 2. So what's the answer? 4. So when you add plus 6 and minus 2, we get the answer as 4. See, even though it is addition, what we have did means we have did subtraction. We have subtracted 6 minus 2, 4. And we have put the greater symbol. Which is the greater symbol? Greater number? 6. So we have put the greater number sign. So plus is the greater number. So plus 4. Positive number. In the second example, we are going to add plus 2 plus minus 5. So plus 2 means we have to start from 0. We have to move plus 2. and plus what you have to do, minus 5. So you have to come backward, you have to step backward. So 1 2 3 4 5, where from 2 we have to move 5 steps back. So what is the answer? When you add 2, that is positive integer 2, with the negative integer 5, what we got? Minus 3. Say, as I said before, when you add different integers, we have to do subtraction. See, this is a positive and this is a negative integer, isn't it? So when you add different integers means you have to do subtraction. But what we have to do, you have to put the sign of the biggest number. See here, what is the biggest number, 2 or 5? 5. So what's the symbol here? Minus. So minus 3. See, first example, without number line we are going to work it out. 103, that is positive integer, with a negative integer 3. So in this case, what we are going to do, you have to do subtraction, because this is a positive integer and with a negative integer. Addition between a positive and a negative number means we have to do subtraction. So 103 minus 3, what do you get? 100. So what sign we have to use here? The greatest number, isn't it? So which one is greater, 103 or 3? 103. 103 is a positive number. So positive only. So instead of putting the plus, it is not necessary to put the plus symbol. For the positive numbers, we no need to put plus. Okay. See, for a second example. So 26 plus minus 33. Okay, you are going to add a positive and a negative number. Positive and a negative number means you have to do subtraction only, isn't it? So you have to subtract 26 from 33. So what do you get? We get 7. So 7. So which sign we have to write here? Plus or minus? Minus sign, because 33 is greater number, isn't it? So we have to put minus. When you do addition with plus and plus symbol, that is positive and positive number means we do addition and we will put plus symbol. When you add two negative integers, that is minus and minus signs means there also you have to add, but you have to put minus sign. When you add a positive number and a negative number means, same way when you add a negative number and a positive number means you have to do subtraction, but you have to put the greater number sign. Which number is greater, that symbol only you have to put. If you remember, this means you can do the addition very easily. Thank you, children. Now we are going to see subtraction of integers. Let us see first example. Subtract 2 from minus 5. We have to find minus 5 minus 2. We are going to take 2 from minus 5. So that's the question. Subtract 2 from minus 5, isn't it? So we are going to take 2 from minus 5. So let us see in the number line. So in this number line, first we have to move to minus 5, isn't it? So minus means before, isn't it? So from 0 we have to start, we have to move 5 steps backward, minus 5. So we have moved here. So 5. Next they have asked to move minus 2. So we have to move 2 steps towards left, isn't it? So 1, 2. So where we reach? At 7. Minus 7. So what's the answer for this? Minus 5 minus 2 is equal to, what we get? Minus 7. See, minus 5 minus 2 is like minus 5 plus minus 2, isn't it? We already add this. So 5 plus 2, 7, and we will put the minus sign. Just before we have seen about the addition, isn't it? Like that. Minus 5 minus 2 is like this. We are adding and we are putting the minus sign. Now we are going to see second example. Subtract minus 5 from minus 3. So we are going to take away minus 5 from minus 3. See, minus 3 minus of minus 3. It becomes minus 3 minus of minus. Minus into minus plus. So plus 5. So we are going to find minus 3 plus 5. And this is like addition only, isn't it? So when we add different signs means what we have to do? We will do subtraction and we will write the sign. Which is sign? The greater number sign, isn't it? So see here, we'll check it. Okay. So from 0, we have to move to 3 place, isn't it? Towards left. Minus means you have to move left side. So from 0 we are going to move 3 place. Yes, we reached at 3. So plus 5. Plus 5 means we have to move towards right side, isn't it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we come back. So where we reached? At 2. So minus 3 plus 5 is equal to 2. As I said already, when we add two different sign numbers, integers, that is negative and a positive integer, means we'll do subtraction and we will put the greater number sign, isn't it? Here, which is the greater number? 5. So what's the sign here? Plus. So we got answer as 2. Are you clear, children? So let us see some other examples without using number line. Okay, we have to subtract minus 3 from 7. So how will you write? From 7, we have to take minus 3, isn't it? So how it becomes? 7 minus of minus plus. So it becomes 3. So what's the answer? 10. You can check this in the number line. Okay. Now, 4 from 8. We have to take away 4 from 8. So 8 minus 4. So what's the answer? 8 minus 4? 4. Are you clear, children? Let us see the third example. Minus, you have to subtract minus 69 from minus 49. That means we have to find minus 49 minus of minus 69, isn't it? So we are going to take away minus 69 from minus 49. So like this only we have to write. Now it becomes minus 49. So minus into minus plus. So plus 69. So as we already studied, different signs means we are going to do subtraction only. That means we are going to subtract 69 and 49. So 69 minus 49, what do you get? 20. So what symbol we have to put? The greater number sign, isn't it? So which is the greater number here? 49 or 69? 69, isn't it? So what's the sign here? Plus. So plus 20 is the answer. I hope you have understood the concept addition and subtraction of integers. Thank you, children.